Object A is initially at rest at the point with position vector -3i plus 7j meters and has an acceleration of 4/3 I plus 2j. So if it's at rest, the velocity is 0i plus 0j meters per second. Object B is initially at the point 15i plus 17j meters and moving with a constant velocity of -4i plus aj meters per second. If the two particles collide after 3 seconds, find the value of A and the position vector of the point where the particles collide. So let's start off by looking at object A. And if we start with S equals ut plus a half at squared, then the change in displacement is going to be, well, we know that this is 0, 0 times 3. And then here we've got a half. The acceleration is 4/3, 2. And that's 3 squared, so that's 9. So if I do 9 times 4/3, that's 12. Half of that is 6. And then 9 times 2 is 18. Half of that is 9. So 6, 9. So the position of A is going to be, the start position is at -3, -7, and it's moved 6, 9. So that is now going to be at the point with position vector 3, 2. So if we now look at B, what's that got to do? Well, it's got to get to the point 3, 2 from the point 15, 17. So in order to do that, it's going to have gone 12 this way and 15 this way. Now, since the velocity is -4a, so let's just use S equals ut since there's no acceleration. We know that it's gone -12, -15, and we know that u is -4a, and that the time taken was 3. So that tells me that 3a equals -15, and therefore a equals -5. So we've found the position where they collide, and we've found the value of A.